is a massively important word for our times. Everything in our everyday life is made of plastic, from bottles to mobile phones. But what exactly is plastic? Plastic is an organic compound, which means that its molecules are made up of carbon atoms that bind with covalent bonds, mainly to hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These molecules bind together forming chains of macromolecules called polymers. Unlike many organic substances, plastic is not found in nature. It is artificially synthesized from natural resources such as gas, oil, and its derivatives. The first plastic material ever produced dates back to 1861, named Parkesina from the scientist Parks. Through the years, several plastic materials have been created, and in 1926, Waldo Simon produced for the first time the polyvinyl chloride. It's used in many applications in the 20th century. Plastic materials developed a lot, and at the beginning of the 21st century, a new type of plastic was discovered, bioplastic.
Even though now we depend from plastic, it has created a lot of pollution and it's causing several problems to our environment. We will not recycle our way out of the plastic pollution crisis. We need a systematic transformation to achieve the transition to a circular economy. Just think that approximately 7 billion tons of plastic produced from 1950 to 2017 became plastic waste. It's a massive problem because plastic pollution can alter the habitats and natural processes, reducing the ecosystem's ability to adapt to climate change. As for ocean pollution, a clear example can be found in the 5 subtropical jars that break plaster into tinier and tinier pieces, which will remain in the ocean for decades or longer. The impact of plastic pollution through ingestion and the entanglement of marine fauna are well documented. They absorb or ingested, and this can bring them to death.
Despite being so pollutant, plastic is needed by our society. As a matter of fact, the global plastic market is worth trillions to the global economy, and several estimates indicate that plastic markets will continue to grow in the future. So, what we are now looking for is a substitute. A good option are bioplastic, which should be biodegradable and be bio-based. A negative aspect is that even if they are produced to be recycled, too many times it happens that they just get thrown away like ordinary plastic. In addition, not all of them are completely biodegradable. Another good option is liquid wood. It looks, feels and acts just like plastic, but it's biodegradable. It is made up of wood, shavings and scraps, and it can be used to produce ordinary objects like toys. It is ecological and can be infinitely recycled, but its production cycle is quite complex and it is also hard to utilize. In conclusion, plastic is the main pillar of our society, but it is also our worst enemy.